Alright, so I went ahead and cut out the other side too. So I went a little bit beyond right here because I had to switch grinders. The one went out the guard, so I didn't really see it, but that's easy. I can weld that up. So I'm not really showing too much me cutting anything, just because the last two videos, if you didn't know, I'm doing this all on my lunch break, and I have a limited amount of time, and it takes a lot longer for me to film and show me cutting. But anyway, I try to cut during lunch when my neighbors aren't really home, so I can be loud. And then at night, welding's not too loud, so I'll go ahead and do that, just being respectful. But anyway, this is all chopped out. I can start getting the template and then cut my metal and weld this in. Then we'll get back on the panoramic roof bracket.
I waited a long time for this. I waited a long time. I waited a long time for this. I waited a long time. I waited a long time for this. It's
What's up, guys? It's your boy Catloco. So today we're back on the Caprice. Right now I got my little template drawn up, cardboard about where I want it. So I had to make a little slit right here to try and replicate this little bend right here. So I got it about where I want it. Right there, got my gaps. I might get a little closer. But yeah, this will be working on today. I'm gonna try and get at least this piece in, and then we'll go ahead and work on the other side. All right, so we just cut out the first piece right there. So I got my cardboard template, I got my piece. I still gotta smooth out the edges of this piece. And then I'm gonna bend right at this line right here. So I don't have a slip roll or anything, so I'm gonna make my mark, and I'm gonna start bending it this from here over, probably with a pipe or something with a rounded edge, so I can get my bend to go down a little bit like that. Anyway, let's get it. All right, so I started making a few templates, and as you can see, that one fits pretty good, but I didn't like how I made the first cut. It was kind of wavy. I had like a little gap, like that much here. So I went ahead and chopped out this side and made it bigger, because now I got a straighter edge and I don't have to worry about welding two pieces of metal in here. And I don't like that little waviness on my first time I cut it out. So now this is more square. So I'm not going to use this piece, because now I'm making a larger template, where when I made this one, pretty much fit, but then I didn't have the length. And this is what you're gonna have to do. You're gonna have to keep on trying templates, and then make sure you have the right depth that you need. So I like how the top looks. I like how the edges. Edge is pretty good. I can always grind down the metal when it's metal. I have that gap. I want it to go down to almost here. So that's my first template, the bigger piece. And then my second one, I don't have the edges perfect. I'm still short on the length, so I need to add like another inch or half an inch to this one. And I did the same thing where I just took a razor down the middle so I can bend it, and then I cut it on the sides. And how I made this curve on this piece, I just used my hammer and dolly. So you see how this thing's like rounded? I got a nice round edge. I just put my sheet metal on top of this and then just start tapping. Keep on tapping down until I get the profile that I want. Just stop. Just gonna be sitting down like that, and you can see my line. Yep, that's how you bend it. That's how you make a little curve. This is just a Harbor Freight kit. This is a body panel kit. It comes with a couple dollies and hammers. So I was gonna use like a pipe or something, but this worked out a lot better. I had this sitting around so I can get that profile that I need. Alright, so I got my first piece, probably my final piece in there right now. You see how it's sitting? I just need to hammer this in a little bit so it's like a little closer gap. So that's basically how I want it all the way around. You can see the line. But yeah, that's what we're going for right now. I still gotta so I still gotta clean this up and coat that with some rust protectant. It's a little windy right now. But anyway, I'm gonna take care of this, clean up my edges, and then we'll go ahead and start welding. Alright YouTube, it's your boy Loco. I went ahead and put some rust converter on the back of here. I went ahead and vacuumed all the loose dirt, brushed it out, and then coated with some rust converter in the back. And I went ahead and grinded down my edges. So when we weld, we'll be ready. Just gonna pop that down some more, but you get the picture. I got my line on my curve, and then we go ahead and tack this in. Anyway, this is your boy Catloco. I got most of the welds in there. It's not done yet. I'm just gonna coat this again with some weld through primer. So tomorrow morning or lunchtime or when I get off work, I can go ahead and finish this up. But I'm just coat this with some weld through primer so it doesn't rust up. But anyway, as always, it's your boy Catloco. Remember to like, comment, definitely subscribe, share if you want. Peace.